Wave properties of light. So we're going to talk about the wave properties of light here. So for the objective of this lesson, we're going to identify experimental evidence proving that electrons behave as wave. By two, we have to determine the significant explanation regarding the electron double slit experiment and differentiate what is dispersion, scattering, interference, and diffraction. So experimental evidence that electrons behave as waves. So the scientists discovered that electrons do not behave only as particles, but also as waves. So this idea was first proposed by Louis de Broglie, who suggested that all matter has wave-alike properties. So the experimental proof came from the electron diffraction experiment. So gumawa siya ng electron diffraction experiment, which is performed by Clinton Davison and Lester Turner in 1927. So when electrons were fired at the crystal, so nag-fire daw at the crystal, they produce a diffraction pattern. Ito yung tinatawag natin diffraction na may pattern. So similar to the waves, na parang ang pattern niya is wavy. And this experiment showed that electrons can behave like a wave. So, ito yung electron double slit experiment natin. So, the double slit experiment demonstrate the wave behavior of the electron. Dito daw makikita kung ano yung wave behavior ng electron. So, when electron pass through the two narrow slit, nung nag-pass daw yung electrons sa two narrow slit, they form an interference pattern. So, form daw ng interference pattern on a screen behind the slit. Okay, instead of making only two bright spot-like particles, the electron create the several bright and the dark bands. So, meron daw pattern o yung tinatawag nating interference pattern. So, this means the electron behave like a wave that spread out and interferes with itself. So this experiment shows that electrons have the wave particle duality, a concept explained in the quantum physics. So light and wave phenomena, meron tayong dispersion, scattering, interference, and diffraction. So dispersion occurs when the white light separates into a different color. So na-discuss na natin to because the different wavelength travel at different speed in the medium. And the common example of formation nito ay ang rainbow. And for the scattering naman, it happened when light changes direction. So after hitting the particles in the medium, this is why the sky appears blue because of the scattering. So, eto, interference occur when two or more waves combine. So, nagkakaroon ng waves combination, kaya nagkakaroon ng interference. So, ito yung pinoproduce na a bright and dark pattern depending on whether the waves strengthen or cancel each other. Diffraction naman is the bending of spreading waves when they pass through the small opening or the around obstacle. Yung tawag natin na narrow. Yun ang tinatawag natin na diffraction. So ito, makikita natin the wave nature of electron and the light phenomena. Ito yung experimental evidence that electron behave as waves. So ito yung ginawa nilang experiment. Electron fired in a crystal. Okay, pinard nila in a crystal tapos nag-produce ng diffraction pattern. Ito yung diffraction pattern. In electron double slit experiment naman, electron through two slit create the interference pattern. So, nag-produce din sila ng two slit na ito yung ginamit nila, yung double slit, and then ito yung screen na lumabas sa kanila. Merong interference pattern. So, light and wave phenomena, ito yung tinatawag natin dispersion, scattering, interference, ito yung lumabas na interference, ito yun. And of course, the diffraction, ito yung sa diffraction. So, for the quiz, okay, so this one is identification. Thank you for listening.